Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Becefol. Becefol is made by Abbott Pharmaceuticals. The box has 25 tablets in it. The price for the box is 132 rupees. The box, each tablet contains 750 milligrams of vitamin C, 100 milligrams of nicotinamide, 30 IU of vitamin E, 20 milligrams of calcium pantothenate, 15 milligrams of vitamin B1 which is thiamine, 10 milligrams of vitamin B2 which is riboflavin, and 5 milligrams of vitamin B6 which is pyridoxine hydrochloride, 4 micrograms of vitamin B12 and 150 micrograms of folic acid. Becefol film tablet vitamin tablets are indicated as a vitamin supplement where there is an inadequate intake of these vitamins in patients with either poor eating habits or increased vitamin requirements. The usual dosage for Becefol is 1 tablet in the morning each day, and you can continue the usage of Becefol for up to 6 months. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.